As you all know, the Palm 2 API has been released for a small portion of people in the waitlist. And today, in this video, we will go through what Palm 2 is capable of. So first, we use, of course, the documentation of Palm API on Google AI. So we have in here two packages, google.generative AI and google.ai.generative language. These two packages are used for API, which first one is more user-friendly. The second one is more lower level, which is it is usable for understanding the API and to know what's the underneath on this process. So we first install the dependencies, then we use first package generative AI, and beside of that package we import all packages that are usable, that are important for this notebook. So then we set the API key in here. How we set the API key? We came to MakerSuit platform. I'll put this link in the comment below. So we came in this get API key part and click on that, then come here and click on the second part, which is create API key in the new project. You click here, the new page will pop up to create a new API key. So it is created. So we copy this API key and paste it in here. So let's assume you did it. Then after pasting it API key in here, you are all set to run this whole notebook by yourself. So then we use first query, the opposite of what is called. It gave direct response. So we use second query, then we use chat model of Palm 2 API, which is great to create few shot prompting or zero prompting. It is better than, let's say, Llama 2, which is open source LLM. So we gave first prompt hello, then we asked the query. It gave greatly. You can check it out later on notebook. Then we use the chat model called chat bison 001. It shows what's the underneath of that model in here. You can take a look at on here. Then we use the second package, generative language model. Then we set the API key again. Then we use the previous model as we used before, chat bison 001. As I said before, it is more lower level package, so it will show what is the underneath of the process. It will show author and content. And then after we used all two packages, we go with GUI Gradio. In here I have uploaded Gradio in here, so we can have great understanding with using Gradio. Let's start Gradio. Let's ask one question to see how it will process, and it'll retrieve the answer, the output. Let's ask what is the best season for car races? Let's ask this question. Let's submit it. Yeah, the best season for car races is spring. The weather is usually mild. The days are longer and the tracks are dry and blah blah blah. It is convenient amount of token for output. It is actually great. Yeah, so after seeing the retrieving process of Palm 2 API, we can see, I have added the form model in here, text model of Palm 2. What is done? Chat model. Then we have some examples and context, which is more likely Fusion prompting. Then we have, last but not least, the embedding model in here. You can check it out. Those, to be honest, I want to make this video short. So after finishing this notebook, you can check out this documentation, and you can come to console panel and manage all your APIs in here in this part. So, and beside of this Palm 2 API, we have platforms called MakerSuit. I can tell you that this MakerSuit is very efficient for prompt engineering, for creating prompt, for creating data set from the prompts easily, which looks like LangSmith, or let's say better than LangSmith. Yeah, after if you have an access, you can easily check it out, and it is so excellent to have experience on Palm 2 API. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening.